What is up, you guys? Midlife Vibes back here on a weekend getaway, and we are in the town of Julian, California. If you don't know what that is, because I didn't know what that is at first, it is an old school gold town. I guess all gold towns are old school because the gold rush was back in the 1800s. This place was founded like 1870, something like that. And
really cute town, really adorable.
Yeah, so we're just gonna explore the town a little bit. We'll show you the hotel we got, the bed and breakfast we got. We also are going on our very first adventure right now. For our first adventure here in Julian, we are going to the Eagle Mines. I think that's what's called, Eagle Mines. And we are gonna go deep underground into a real live gold mine.
I'm gonna try to go deep underground. We'll see. You guys all know I'm claustrophobic.
She's a little scaredy cat, but I'm gonna get her in there. We are going into the Eagle Mine of 1870. This is pretty cool. I don't know how dark it is in here. I think you'll be fine. Look at how open it is. We gotta stay with the group though. We don't want to get lost and be trapped in here with some miners. Oh, it's wide open from here. That's good. Okay, we've lost Becky. She got freaked out. She can't do the mine. So I'm going. She's exiting. She'll probably be drinking a beer or something. I don't know. Maybe if we're traveling to this mine, this is definitely not made for tall people. One of the reasons is they found that incredible. Made it out alive. Becky couldn't do it. But here we are. Look how beautiful this is. Where you find Becky in her natural habitat.
Yes.
Right here with the big old giant pitcher of cider.
See this now? This is called happiness.
Just wanted to give you guys a quick room tour. We stayed here last night at the Julian Lodge, and it is a very basic room, very nice room. Look at this thing. This thing's a refrigerator. That's a refrigerator.
Ooh, for kombucha.
Yeah, don't forget your kombucha. See, refrigerator. But it's supposed to have this like 1800s feel to it. So if you look at like the dressers and stuff, they're all like old school. It's either that or they just don't want to replace them, but I think it went for an antique look. And then, you know, you got the old chair and stuff and the nice little nightstand there. But just a very basic room here. It's very nice. It was actually really cozy. One downfall, The pillows were hard as rocks.
Yes.
I could not handle the pillows. The bed was firm, but it was okay. The bathroom was very nice, antique looking, very, very nice. Just a quick little tour.
There was no street noise. It was nice and quiet.
Oh, very
Maybe
quiet.
because everything closed at 5.
Well, it's a very peaceful town.
Yeah,
So,
we really enjoyed it here.
yeah. Another cool thing over here in Julian is they have a wolf center, which I think Becky's gonna want to go check
I
out.
want to go check out everything.
Becky's like, I want to see everything.
I want to see everything and go in everything.
You know what I want to see? I
The
want to see
food.
food in my belly right
You
now.
want to see your piece of pie.
Yes. One of the best things about this town is it's just so small. It's small enough to where you just walk. We're walking from our hotel room down to downtown, gonna get some breakfast.
Last night was just great because we were able just to walk over to a restaurant and have lunch, and then we walked over to this, like a brewery type thing that had barbecue food. Walked over,
Got
sat there,
trashed last night.
ate, relaxed, made some friends, and we just walked back to our room. It was so nice.
Babe, I want my apple pie. We are leaving Julian, California. What a nice little small town that was. I think
It was just really nice and relaxing. It was much needed.
it's good for just like a little weekend. I wouldn't think much more than that. Maybe 2 nights at the most.
Yeah, but
Would be-
one night definitely is great.
And there's some places like out here that you can see and stuff. But we are off to Borrego Springs because I saw like this really cool little art installation over there, and I wanted to take Becky so she could see what it was like.
Thank you. I love when you do that.
We have made it to Borrego Springs, and Becky got so excited.
We found the envelopes.
We found the uffalumps, the elephants. So they have all these crazy metal statues in different places. Like, here's one elephant, there's another elephant, there's our car, we're in the desert, and then they got this little baby elephant right here. Oh, it's probably hot. It's like, it's supposed to be, it's like 90 degrees out, but it feels nice with the breeze. And maybe they put little spikes on this guy so that way you don't climb on him. Oh my goodness, I want to touch him. I just want to touch him. I just want to touch him. Oh, he's fragile though. He's fragile.
Yeah.
You don't want to break him.
Look at his eye. Oh, look at his eyelashes.
How cute! Look at the little eyelashes.
Adorable.
So throughout this desert, off in the distance, I can see more sculptures out there. So we're gonna head over there after we check out these elephants. Ooh, these are some wild kicking broncos right here. Look, we are right over there with the elephants. We made it to the horsies, and there's some more horsies over there. That's crazy. And then their manes and their furs are all, everything's made out of metal. Like, this looks, ooh, it looks sharp and wow. This is kind of a cool little thing out here in the middle of nowhere.
You know what? We came on a perfect day. This breeze, you can't even feel the heat.
I know, it's like 90 degrees outside, but it feels
No,
good.
It's so nice out here. It reminds me of back home.
Back home in the desert. Well, we are in the desert. You know, Indio and stuff's like right over there, over on the other side of that mountain. Look at the baby horses. The baby horse, huh? Wow. Look at us off-roading. Woo!
We got us a 4-wheel drive.
Driving through all the horses. This must be all the horse sculptures right here.
Yeah, I think so.
There's an eagle. I know there's a Jeep somewhere too.
A Jeep.
Oh, don't break the window.
It's a little bumpy.
It's a little. Oh, look at the baby feeding from the mama horse.
Oh, he is feeding.
Cute. It's almost like a drive-thru. We don't even have to get out of the car. We can
No, we can just drive too.
just drive around looking for sculptures. We're in the Buck and Bronco area. And there's a guys are fighting. Ooh, Gary. Yeah, I like it. Oh, the road's right there. I'm like, we're off-roading and the road is like literally right there. We don't need no stinking paved road.
You got a 4-wheel drive.
We're going off-roading. Should I put it on trail mode? Folk that don't know about 4-wheel drive, we call it trail mode. Wow, look at this eagle.
We would not be out here in the Mustang, y'all.
Would not have left the road.
No, can you imagine the bottom of your car would be hitting all these thick rocks?
Yeah. We ran into a little dilemma here, guys. The T-Rexes, or whatever you want to call these things, have commandeered our vehicle, and I don't know if we can get back inside of it. They've pretty much taken, I mean, I'm hoping they don't tear it apart, but, or we're one of the family now. I don't know, but they've basically taken our car. Well, we drove a little bit farther and we found a giant cricket battling the scorpion. I'm pretty sure a scorpion could take out a cricket. So I'm not sure there's much of a battle there, but...
Looks like a grasshopper.
Oh, is it a grasshopper? Oh, it is a grasshopper. Oh, yeah, you're right. I always rely on Becky to give me the right information. She knows her bugs. She's in love with bugs. These next ones, I am loving these. This is a tribute to all the farm workers out there working the field so we have food to eat. Oh, look at it. It's beautiful. I would have never thought this would be out here. So many cool things. Doesn't matter how far out in the desert we get, there's always Mickey Mouse somewhere out here. This one, they got him caged in barbed wire though. He's got a disco ball, which is pretty cool, and a candy machine over there. Interesting though, out here in the middle of nowhere. Oh my goodness, we have a giant serpent's head which goes into the sand and then comes out the other side. Look how big this serpent is. This is crazy. It even goes on the other side of the road. Wow. This one, I think, might be my favorite. Why do you think the serpent crossed the road? To get away from its tail. This thing has a huge tail. Wait, it's a rattler serpent. The tail reminds me of the end of a rattlesnake's tail. It's got a giant rattler. I'm glad I'm not hearing any rattles right now. But look at it, it goes from here all the way across to the other side of the road. Okay, we've gone from animal straight to off-road and crazy Jeep people with a shovel and a pick on the side of the Jeep. This is a pretty interesting little thing to do in the afternoon before we head home. I do enjoy this a lot.
It's just such a little nice drive to go and see all the sculptures, you know? It's very interesting.
So that is it for us on this little weekend trip getaway. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified any time we post a video of our little weekend getaways. And with that, we'll catch you next time.